Say man say we never go Ghana. Say na him sing the bangers. Say na him get the banku. We dey make all the girls to the ginger. For many years we dey dance our zone too. Back then.
Hey my beauty, it's your girl Jenny. Jenny, only that, no more Jenny, okay? Hairstyle with Jenny. Welcome back to Hairstyle with Jenny, okay? If you're a new subscriber, click the subscribe button, and near the button you have that bell. Click that bell so you will be notified when I upload your video. Okay, we're coming for these toys. These toys are from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Yes, they're from Amazon. The name of the company is Yebo. Yes, Yebo. I will leave the link directly of the here down below, and the link of Amazon Yebo store down below too. Te estoy trabando. So I love it. It takes me 14 minutes. 40 minutos. 40 minutos. Take me 40 minutes to install the hair. Like, hello. Then I know you're going to ask about my contact lenses. Yeah, yo sé que me vas a preguntar por mis lentillas, amor. These contact lenses, they are from colorcl.com. They are $15, but if you use my discount code JK10, you will have it for $30. The name of the contact lenses I'm wearing right now is Cloud Green. Okay, let me leave you with the tutorial. Okay, so bye. Voy a fumar, I'm feeling this twist so much. I'm feeling it. Lo siento demasiado, demasiada salsa. Salsa, ven a mí.